my name is Anders from Samsung XL, and today we'll take a look at one of our most popular cables. It's just a standard XLR cable, so it's the one you'll be using for your microphones, your active speakers or studio monitors. Basically, it's pretty simple. There's a female and a male end, and you can get the length that you need, and actually the quality is pretty good. You won't be able to hear any difference between this cable and a much more expensive cable. And the plugs, they are quite good quality as well. So just get the ones you need and be ready to plug in your stuff.